Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we are at Broadway at the beach. It is a huge dining, entertainment. They've got rides, they've got shopping, all kinds of stuff here in the Myrtle Beach area. We're going to take you around and show you everything that's new. Hi, I'm Carmen and welcome. So the first stop we're going to make, we're on the avenue right now. Just a quick mention, Bar Louie did close over there on the left side, but we've got Dave & Buster's got a great magic show right over there. That's the Charles Bach Wonders Theater, but we are going to head straight ahead and show you the big news, which is the progress on the old Smoky Distillery and also Yeehaw Brewing. It is opening this year, and so we're excited to see that coming. And there's also another restaurant opening, Big Fish. We're going to show you that. But even more exciting, there is a brand new store that is open now, so we're going to show you that as well. So here is where Yeehaw Brewing is going to be and the Old Smoky Distillery. It's a joint venture between the two. They do have a location in Tennessee. This is their first location in Myrtle Beach, and it's also their first joint venture. So it goes all the way down there. We're going to go up this bridge right here and give you a quick view of that before we head all the way around Broadway and show you everything that's going on. I'm now up at the top of that bridge, and so this is the building for the Yeehaw Brewing and Old Smoky Distillery location. As you can see, it is massive. They actually built it out into the lake here at Broadway at the Beach. By the way, Broadway at the Beach. By the way, if you see a haze, that is fog. We've got a little fog this morning. It happens, it's actually ocean fog. It's coming in from the ocean today. It happens once in a while this time of the year. Got some seagulls hanging out, but more importantly, we've got some progress on the this is going to be Big Fish. That's the name of the restaurant. But they still have a ton of work. So actually, I don't know if they're going to open this year. You would think they would, but I can tell the inside still has a lot of work. It's hard to tell from this angle with this camera, but we can actually see inside, and they haven't done a lot inside. They stripped everything down. That was the old Liberty Tavern location. And over here, that was the old Key West Grill and Johnny Rockets location. That's what used to be there. And then we brought this to you before, but I always call it Charlie's. Someone corrected me and said it's Good Time Charlie's. Doesn't matter either way because they have definitely closed down. They've actually moved their stuff out. So that is no more. Got right next to Senior Frogs. Let's head around the corner and see what else is new. Here's a beautiful view that shows you what the lake looks like if you're new to Broadway at the beach or thinking about visiting when you're on vacation. We don't talk about this a lot because we do so many updates on Broadway at the beach, but there is a lot to do here, and it's actually a place we actually do recommend if you are going to visit Myrtle Beach on vacation. I think it'd be one of our top spots to visit, just because there is so much to do here, so many different things, so much to see. Really something for the whole family too. If you have a family, there's kid-friendly activities like WonderWorks and like the Ripley's Aquarium. So lots and lots to do here. It's definitely a great place to visit on vacation. You heard me mention that there are rides here. Here is the really big Ferris wheel. This is smaller than the Skywheel, but it still gives you amazing views. The Skywheel is on the Myrtle Beach boardwalk, and then there's also quite a few kid-friendly rides in this section, but they also do have another section. We'll show you that when we get there, that has some extreme thrill rides and other things to do. And there's also family-friendly rides in that section as well, so you can find something for everybody. The Kentucky Mist Distillery has permanently shuttered here at Broadway at the Beach. I have no idea if they are still open at other locations, but here at Broadway, they are gone, and that's new since our last video. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up or a like. That helps other people find the video, and we greatly appreciate that. Also, if you'd like to learn more about Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Here's Broadway t-shirt, and again, if you're gonna, I always get these questions, where are the people? It is around 10 a.m., give or take a little bit, and also it's still a little bit into the off season. I mean, we are gonna start getting more people this time of the year, but this is not full on busy tourist season yet, so that's part, but mostly it's the time of day. You can even come here in the summer early and there's almost no one here, so that's a tip. If you want to do things earlier, and some things here open pretty early, like Ripley's Aquarium opens at 9 a.m. and I believe WonderWorks does as well, unless they've changed their hours. This is the front of that Big Fish restaurant. that I mentioned. So this is the other side. We showed you the back side when we showed you the bridge view. And so this is, like I said, got a lot of work to go here. So I don't know if this is going to open this year or not. I think they were planning to open this year, but it looks like it's moving slower than expected, but we will definitely keep you posted as they continue their construction and development. Just to give you a point of reference, we've got the Mole Hole, we've got It's Sugar, which we really enjoy that shop. You got this clock, you got Quiet Storm, got a Build-A-Bear, and so this is the area where you come to if you'd like to go to the more thrill rides. But like I said, they've also got some family-friendly rides over here. We will show you so you can check them out and decide if it's something you'd like to do. So you see those giant slides, that's definitely family friendly. I mean, within a certain age group, of course. And then you've got the Beast, which is a thrill ride over to the right. You've got a Himalaya style ride. You've got a Gravitron style ride. And then you've got the classic swings. And then there's a ride where you kind of lay down like Superman and go around. And then there's Speed XXL, which is this huge arm that swings up and down. As we brought to you in the last couple of videos, Cliggs Kites has pulled out of this location at Broadway, but they do have 2 other locations in the Myrtle Beach area. So if you were a fan, you can still shop at their other locations. And then we've got the Christmas Shop, Pick a Pearl, and We Are Sweets. Still no news on what's replacing the Simpsons 4D Theater and the Quickie Mart, but we will definitely keep you posted on that. All right, I want you to leave me a comment and let me know what you think is coming in here, if anything, art installation or something else. We saw people surveying this area right here next to PopStroke, and we were so excited we thought maybe they were gonna build a business here, but all they did was install a tiny little circle of cement. So let us know in the comments what you think is happening, or if you know for sure, let us know that too. We came back a little later and it turns out they are working on a seasonal sort of fun photo op type display here. So we're on the other side where we showed you the front side of that hand. So it's not a new store, it's some type of seasonal fun activity that's gonna change with the seasons. We are coming up to the brand new open store that we told you about. We're in that time of the year where some things don't always open at the same time in the morning. Some open at 10, some open at 11. And like I said, there's a couple of things open at 9, but those are the only 2 exceptions I know of. Well, and PopStroke, I think they open earlier too. You'll have to check their website. But PopStroke's this little sort of putt. I don't know what to call it. It's not like traditional mini golf. It's more like serious putting, I guess. But I mean, kids can enjoy it too. And it's partially owned by Tiger Woods, and they've got a bunch of like eating and bars and all kinds of stuff inside. But we're here in the new area by the Hangout. This is called the Key West area of Broadway at the Beach. And this Sand Cloud is now open for business according to their website. I was able to confirm that Sand Cloud is open, so I came back later. They do still have that lockbox on the door, that's what threw me off, but they are definitely open for business. I'll see if they will allow me to film, but we can at least peep in from the front. So they have Turkish cotton beachwear, cover-ups, towels, all kinds of things. They are demonstrating a beach towel bag, so it's both a bag and a beach towel, and these are fade resistant in the sun, and it's actually organic Turkish cotton, and all of it is yarn dyed. Here are those towels that are in the bag, and it even has a little zipper pocket inside, and it's a backpack, so you could easily take that with you. Here's some more of the products. And then these are interesting. The employees gave me a demo. You can change underneath them. So like if you're a surfer or if you just want to change out of your wet clothes, they're big enough that you could put them on and actually do a quick change underneath. And they have kids sizes as well for those. So all kinds of, and here's some different types of cover-ups. And then over here is towards the front of the store. It's actually a good size inside as well. It looked smaller from the outside, and the building is quite big, but the store looks smaller from outside than it is inside. And their colors are really beautiful too. They do have online as well, so if you're watching this and you're not here on vacation and you want to check them out, it's Sand Cloud. I'll do it up close. You can search for that on the web, and you can pull up their online site as well. Right across from the Sandbar and the Margaritaville is a brand new store. They are not open yet, but just since our last video, they've got their signage up. We've got the Grumpy Gators, and that is a beach gift shop. They do have another location in this area, and so this will be their second location, I believe. So that is pretty exciting. Can't wait to see what it's like when it opens. And here is the Earthbound Trading Company, the Black Flag Forge, which we have taken you inside of before. It's a pretty unique experience. Definitely recommend looking into that if you'd like to make your own sword or coin or something like that. It's a blacksmith place, really neat. And it's sort of got a pirate theme, and then you've got old-time portraits. Great view across the water to the Ferris wheel. We're now to the other side to Ripley's Aquarium, and this is definitely a place we recommend. We have an annual pass that we pay for with our own money. It's definitely a place that is a lot of fun to visit, and they also have sort of discount tickets if you go to more than one Ripley's attraction, because there's a whole bunch in this area. Inside Ripley's Aquarium, breaking news, the Rainbow Reef, or Rainbow Rocks, is now back open, and they've done an iridescent paint job, but there are no fish yet. So there's no aquatic life in it, but at least it's not closed off. And they have a plane wreck here with the Ripley's Aquarium of Myrtle Beach theming on it. Also new, which we mentioned before, is Slime Kitchen. You're gonna have to Google this to see what it is. You basically make your own slime. So it's a family-friendly activity. They've got some little coming soon, if you can. I don't know if that QR code will work because these windows are not clean, but they got little coming soon stickers, so hopefully they will be opening soon. We will definitely keep you posted. This is a fan favorite here, Retroactive. They've got all kinds of retro stuff from 70s, 80s, and 90s. Where else can you get a Pac-Man doormat? And they've got Super Mario Brothers. Got all kinds of stuff. On the other side, they've got some vinyl. It's pretty fun. I keep getting questions about this playground. I think they do occasionally close it for the construction, but it is open. Like today it's open, we checked, the gate's open. So it's open intermittently, I guess. Also, Cara Aloha has pulled out, and that was kind of sudden and unexpected and surprising since they're gonna be right across from this new, so according to the lease plan, Yeehaw Brewing is in this building, and then that huge building is listed as the old-time Distillery, but the old Smoky Distillery, not old time, sorry about that. But who knows? Who knows if that's just on the lease plan, but it's really both shared facilities. We will find out when they open. If you'd like to learn more about Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.